Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. And look what we got, it's a Temu! And look at the packaging guys, Temu purchase protection. Yes, you're guaranteed protection on your package if it's late or what have you. But we now have this after an agonising 6-day extra wait, no thanks to this bloody courier. Because I don't know if they've had like problems, but their tracking is really weird at the moment. It's just been going out for delivery, rescheduled, out for delivery, rescheduled. So anyway, we'll get in here. Now some of the things in here are non-diamond painting related. I am trying to keep the orders to like gadgets separately, or anything I buy that I like the look of separately to diamond painting. So moving forward, hopefully we will have packages, just diamond paintings in here, and then like bits and bobs in the other ones. So let's get into the package. Yeah. Now talking of packages, I'm supposed to be getting another one today, but whether that turns up I don't know, because I said between I'm going into the bloody diamond painting there, just right. Yes, let's get into here. So let's see what we got first. So let's get on with this one here first. So oh, I can't remember what that one was. I actually can't remember what that is. Okay, let's. Oh yes, I know what it is. It's the this is the little book with the tree in it. Yes, I saw this and I was like, yeah, got to have that. Yeah. But it's something different. As I said, I'm trying to move away from animal paintings, and I saw this and I thought it reminded me of like the Bible, but this one is really, really gorgeous. Look at that. It's like a nice wintry theme. As you can see, it's got this lovely, it's like white snowflakes in there, like glitter or something there. Then you've got this lovely tree, but it's coming out of a book. I'll try and get the light there we go. But it's coming out of like a book, and I thought that is like the tree of life. And the way the book opens reminds me of like a Bible, because I am a Christian. And yeah, I just thought that looks really, really nice. So I thought I'm going to have that, give it a go. I can see a woman out there with a box in her car that looks like packages, but I don't know if that's our package. But anyway, it feels quite thin, but I don't think that's any cause for concern. It does look a bit glittery as well, but I just love it. It's really, really lovely. 30×40, you've got 19 colours in this. So let's take a look at that. We'll just put that over to one side. We're going to have a standard boat of jewels there, which look really, really fabulous. And as you can see, no baggies in this one, Tessa, I'm afraid. But if I do get any more, I will zoom them over to you. Make it sound like I'm going round to her house. Now, she lives in Liverpool, whereas I live in Braintree, so that's a bloody long drive. But anyway, let's get into here and see what we got. Okay. So, apologies if you can hear the washing machine. Washing machines will not go without go. But anyway, we've got some purples in here. We've got some greys and blues, and really loads of blue actually. Look at this lot. Cool, blimey, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blues there. We've got a lovely, gorgeous, sexy pink there. A lovely baby pink there, I think that's called. It's not a rose gold, but I would say probably like baby pink or ice pink. And then we've got a peachy colour, some more blues, purples, bit of blue, bit of teal and purple, which is really, really lovely. So that's our first one. And we'll get into the next thing that we've got in here. Let me see if I can... Oh, what is that? Got random... Oh yes, right, yes. So I saw these. Some of these things come so small, it's unbelievable. But these are basically diamond painting labels, and they've got loads of different sizes. But I thought I didn't want to get too many, because I don't know if they're going to be too big or too small. But sometimes the painting has a really long name, so I need a little bit bigger than that. But look at this, guys. You've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 18, 21, 27, 36, and I give up. I can't count in times. But you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 strips there. So yeah, they're just really helpful. I think I might get another pack of them actually, because they're quite nice. But yeah, I just thought they're really nice. Sometimes the little small ones are a little bit on the small side, so I always like to get these. And I'm trying to move away from Amazon because their prices are extortionate at the moment, just for like certain things. So yeah, it looks really good. So I'm going to get myself some of them. I think I might get some more, so I've got them. Let's see what else we got. Let's go back to another painting. And this, oh, you're going to love this. Now, I like cats, okay? So in here, we have got, you can see up there, it's like apparently it's like a glow-in-the-dark one, but I don't think it is. But this cat, anyone who knows me knows I love cats, butterflies, tigers. But I have got, I can't get into this, I have got another one. I have got a white cat like this, and I just fell in love with this. I had to have this. Oh, come on, I don't want to bloody come out. Come out. Come on, Liberties. You don't want to come out the bag. I'll get it out the goddamn bag. But look at this. Oh, yeah, man, let's get into here. God, that looks chunky. Got some jewels here, but look, are you ready? Ah, that's so cute. Oh, yeah, man. Now this, straight away I'm noticing, this is going to be a hell of a lot heavy on the colour block. Brilliant, perfect for colour block there. Looking at this, sometimes in paintings it all looks one colour, but then there's two different blacks, and it does catch you out as you're going along. It might catch you out, but this, looking at it, it's got all the same colour. That is really going to be a really good time to test out some more multi-placing. We've got a butterfly up here. It's a 30x40, and it's a landscape, which is nice because I don't get very many landscape ones. In here we've got ourselves 26 colours, and it's just got that lovely sort of, watch this reflection will go out the way, but it's just got this lovely sort of multicolour theme to it. But I just think it's so cute, it's so colourful, nice splash of colour. I do love working with paintings that have a lovely splash of colour, and I just think it's so cute how he's laying on the floor. He's found his little friends up there, the butterfly, but what really drew me to this is the colour, and it's really, really beautiful. So I'll put that over to one side, and then we'll get the bags, as you can see. Right, Tessa, I'll send these out to you. See what I mean about some come with bags, some don't come with bags. But I think diamond painting companies, as I said, I think they need to come out with an option. Do you want a tray or do you not? Because us fellow painters, we get stacks of the damn things. So the only ones you don't get them with is like the Crystal Creations, because they come in like a big block thing. But this is OMG. Look at the colours in this. You can see it's very colourful, and all the colours of the rainbow there. So let's go this way for a change. We've got browns and pinks and blues. These two colours very vibrant indeed. We've got very lime green there, and look, we have got uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco. So 5 packs of this black colour. That looks like an 18. I think that might be a 310. No, it's a 939. This is what's interesting, and sometimes we know that black is a 310, but sometimes they change the coding. So as you can see in this case, L is probably your black at 938, but this is a 939 colour there. This looks really, really lovely. You've got your brown, your purple, that's gorgeous. I haven't worked with that before. Quite nice. Lots of green again, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A nice selection of shades there, 6 coming up with the Eddie Stobart sort of look there. We've got a blue, a yellow, red and yellow and pink and green. You'll have to excuse me, I work in the theatre, so yeah. What's that colour? Pink. And we've got browns and blues and all sorts there. So really, really lovely colours. And last but not least in this consignment is, if we just put that up there, the last thing I got in this package. Oh no, it is in here, but I was expecting the box, but they've sent it in a strip. But in here, I saw these. Now, I try every single toothpaste out there, because I've got this thing on my tooth called a plaque, and apparently it's hard. It's this hard white stuff that apparently can stick to your teeth, and it's very hard to get off. I've tried the white charcoal, the black charcoal, I've tried everything under the sun to try and get rid of it. But these apparently are your teeth whitening strips. So, I don't know if it's any good, but I'm going to give it a go. And apparently they're supposed to whiten your teeth, apparently, but we'll have to see about that. But just have a recap again, to see which ones you like. So, as I said, I am trying to, because it's very hard on Temu when you're buying things and then you see something else, but you've got to try and separate the packages so that you only do diamond paintings in one package, because I'm trying to stick it so that paintings are only in one package, and then we do like the bits, like these things, perhaps in a different package. But let me know what's your favourite. I can't wait to get stuck into these, and I've got another big giant Vinted haul coming up very soon. So please remember to like, share, subscribe. They're both via the app called Vinted. I'm really excited about this one. This is giving me like the sort of December, wintry, January, February sort of theme here, because it's a nice sort of white wintry theme. I'm not entirely sure when I'll do this one, but yeah, it looks really, really lovely. Can't wait to do it. What I love about this one is the colour blocking. It's going to give me a real opportunity to use my 5 places that I don't normally get an awful opportunity to use. But please remember to like, share, subscribe. Do check out this fantastic app. A lot of the fellow diamond painters in the community are doing a hell of a lot of Temu unboxings. Everyone loves this company. It's better than AliExpress. It's just a fast paced company. From the minute you ship, they seem to ship overnight, and then it seems like it's on a next day flight, because it gets loaded and then before you know it, it's in the UK within about a day. So it's really, really good. The app's down there, or you can visit the website at worldwideweb.temu.com. But it is a fantastic company. You get £5 credit if your order's late, and you do get price adjustments. So always check your orders, check on each item. You should get a button that says request price adjustment only if your price has dropped. So for example, if I pay £5 and then a couple of days later it dropped in price, I can request that difference back. It's just a fantastic company. Take care, and we'll see you very soon for another Temu haul coming up very soon. Take care, guys. Catch you later.